I'm the Baroness. I'm New York's premier designer of elegant, provocative latex fashions. I want the world dressed in latex. I think if you want to wear those trousers, this top, bodice corset, it's going to zip down the front. Very easy. Come with me.
Any undergarments or
No.
just pure latex?
Latex. Just come out and I'll lace you up. Bodice corset.
Oh! Yeah, okay.
Don't be such a wimp. See, now look, that's what I wanted to show. You can bend over and you don't fall out. Now that's a key thing. Now to put these on, you want to put on some lube. And the reason for that is, you get your hands slippery like that. You put on what seems like an excessive amount, only because it makes it very, very easy to slide in.
How does one prevent getting scratched? Does one wear gloves or what's the best method?
Wait, you don't want to get scratched? The same way you wouldn't scratch your pantyhose. You just treat it nicely. Take it just slowly. I mean, really enjoy it. The thing about getting dressed in latex is it's fun. So, put this one on.
Okay.
Tuck it, put it all the way very high up under there, your other shoes, and then you have a ball gown.
Okay.
Off you go. And then we can try even something that's shorter and a little bit more fun and kicky. I wanted you to put this one on because you're not shined in it. First thing about shining, you want to make sure you have a lot. Your hands are slippery. You want to start at the top. And you can already just see the difference. You want to never do this because this doesn't feel nice and it's stupid. It doesn't do anything. This is the good stuff and this is only for you.
For people who aren't wearing latex and from a latex novice, it kind of feels like your skin is 3 times sensitized. So imagine staying outside in the cold and then being out in the warmth and then having someone like the Baroness scratch you or just glide their hands down you. It feels like your skin and sensitized and it feels a lot better than Spanx. I will give you that.
Okay. As long as you don't treat it roughly, latex will last 20-30 years.
And this shop does repairs for its own designs.
We will do repairs. Anything breaks because of our fault, nothing ever does. Lifetime guarantee, no questions asked. If you break it, we'll fix it, we'll charge you, we'll assume you had a good time.
Okay then. Thank you, Baroness.
My pleasure.
And for wearing an outfit like this, what would you just tell a woman on her way out?
You own the world, honey, that's what I'd tell you.
Our journey with the Baroness has been done with for today. So if you're interested in getting an ensemble like this, or whatever suits your style, head to the Baroness right here in New York City. Thanks, Global Glam Readers. Till next time.